Last year was our first annual Weld-Off competition. It consisted of most of the schools in the area that have technical programs. It consisted of 3 different rounds. First round, all the students got to weld the plates. They got experience coming in and welding in a different atmosphere than what they're used to, and different people looking at their welds. The second round was the top 3 from each school, and they competed down to the final 2 from each school. A lot of students will actually decide whether or not they want to get more involved with it, or maybe they'll see somebody else that does a lot better than them and they think that, you know, I am going to need more school to be that good. And a little bit of competition kind of sets a little bit of a fire underneath of them, and they decide that they kind of want to do this, and they devote more of their time to it than what they had previously.